so I got my Bioseaweed package yesterday. Here it is, and then we're gonna go ahead and open it. I'm gonna be using this right here. My goodness. There it is. Yes, I'm excited. Let's see what we got. They gifted me for my grand opening of my studio, you guys. I was super excited. Look at these cute polishes. It's their Supernova collection. Oh my god, these are so cute. It's like a little collection. And then we got some yellow, if you guys can see. It's like, oh, there you go, like a cute pastel yellow. Oh my gosh, more colors, some bubble wrap. Who popped this? You guys popped this? Okay. Okay, so one box, there's 3 boxes in here with polish in there. Oh my god, some more bubble wrap. And some more colors. Pretty, a blue, so cute. I'm gonna have to swatch all of these right now. Mousse, a nude, how pretty. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I'm gonna be able to fill up my rack, and I might even need a new rack, to be honest. Cute, bright pink. I'm so excited for all the spring lollipop. I do not have this color, so I've never used that one. Fate, pretty, like a very soft pink. Gumdrop, another pink. Oh, this is cute. This is so cute. It's very similar to the other one. Okay, let's take this out. Kiwi, a bright green, super cute. I don't know if I have this one. This is cute though, summer for sure. Betty, I do have. Oh, this one's super cute for my subtle pinks. Oh my girls, Patricia. Ow, I can't open up. Patricia is a red. Oh my goodness, this one is so hard. I can't open it. Okay, we're gonna leave that one to after. It's a red. Sunrise. Ow, what color is this? Oh my god, my hands are so dry or something. That hurts. Oh, this is cute. It's like a pink reddish with some shimmer in there. Oh, that's pretty. This is cute too. And then, oh, I have to do my eye. Okay, this angle is like a little weird, sorry. Okay. Plaid, please. Wow, this is a really pretty red. This is cute. Avant-garde. Wow, this green is pretty. I need deep greens like this. This is a perfect green. Oh my goodness, you guys, there's a lot of colors. Ember. Oh, this is like a pretty fall color. Even in the summer, I think this is really cute for something in between, transition from summer to fall. This is really cute. Everything's peachy. Cute. Very pretty for my nude girls. For the naturals, it's like in between peachy and pink. This one's cute. Oh my god, these are all really cute. Let me take this box out. And I left a few in here still. Oh my goodness, you guys. These are like over 30 polishes that I received from them. Thank you so much, Bioseaweed. You guys are the best. Sugar cookie. Oh, sugar cookie's pretty. This is cute. Oh my god, this glare sucks on the light. Be the light. Oh, this is cute. I'm definitely gonna have to swatch all of these. Black, Sarah. Sarah, I've been needing you, girl. If you like black and you're my client, you know I've been needing Sarah. Pretty and Sage. Oh, I'm excited. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is cute. So pretty, like a muted down green. Almost nude, like if it's in the nudes. Slate Tonight, a mustard yellow. Yes, this is so cute. Wonderland. Let's see what Wonderland is. Oh, a pretty silver glitter. This is pretty. This is a really pretty glitter. Very pigmented. It doesn't look that sheer. This is cute. I have never used this. I hadn't used, a lot of these are brand new colors to me too. Something Blue is blue. Very pretty, like marine blue, but it's also super bright. In Vogue. Oh, this pretty is cute. You guys probably can't see, but this pretty, this pink, this pretty is cute. This pink is so pretty. It's like a cotton candy pink. Cyclone. Let's see what Cyclone is about. Ooh, Cyclone is blue with some shimmer. Cyclone is really pretty. I like Cyclone. This is cute. I've never used anything like that one. For sure. Usually the glitters are a little, that one's like kind of chunky, but you can see the color. Cotton Angel is pretty. I do have this one, and this one's very popular. This is cute, like a sheer natural color for under the French, or just a solid color. Honeybee, another yellow. Oh, this is cute. I'm so excited for all the spring nails. Spring and summer nails. We are ready for you. All these colors. Periwinkle. Super pretty. A purple. Very light purple. A little bit of a blue tone, but it's more purple. Jade. A teal. Oh, yes. Jade, you are coming in hot, girl. Jade is so pretty. It's like a green teal blue color. This is very cute. I love this color, one of my favorites. Charmed, it shows blue, but let's see. Blue, a very light blue. This is pretty. I like this one. We got a good mixture of some greens, pinks. I got reds in there, some glitters. Rose gold is a very, very popular nude color. This is very pretty too. One of my favorites. White, girl, I've been needing you too. I've been needing white and the black. So these are for sure always coming in handy. And then Marshmallow is a pink. We have a good amount of pinks, you guys. This pink is very pretty. And then Catching Flights. It looks peachy orangey. Let's see what it is. Oh, this is cute. It's a nude. It is like a little peachy tone, but it's a nude. This one's pretty too. Okay, so we got some nudes in there, some pinks. This one was the yellow, and it came as a set with its own polish, but I don't really use polish. Chase the Sun. I use all gel polish. Okay. Oh, this is a very pretty yellow. For sure, spring vibes. Pastel yellow. Super cute. And then, where was it? The one that I couldn't open. Patricia, where you at, girl? Patricia's red. Let me see if I can open it. No, I can't open it. Oh my goodness. Patricia, you stubborn girl. My hand hurts and my hand's cold. Ow, my hand hurts. I'm not gonna do that, Patricia. You ain't worth it right now. We'll get to you later. And then this is the Supernova polishes. Let's see what they about. I don't believe I have any of this collection, so let's see. These are brand new. Oh, this is cute. Some glitter. It's like, it has like some silver. It might be like a reflective. Oh yes, it is Supernova reflective gel polish. So I do have a few, not this, not Bioseaweed, but I do have silver and pink. This one has like a little bit of red and silver in there. This is very pretty. I'm excited to see how these reflectives are. And then there's a Vega. Let's see if we can see it in the light. I'm gonna put the light. I don't have my ring light, guys, sorry. Oh, this is pretty. Like a black with silver and like some sparkle in there. Okay, I see you. This is cute. I definitely have to swatch these so I can be able to see their true color. And then Capella. Capella looks like gold. A pretty gold. No silver in this at all. It's all gold. It's a very, very pretty. Once you put the flash on is when they reflect. So I can't really see it, to be honest. But once I swatch it, I can see how glittery and shimmery it is. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I don't have a gold or any of these other colors. So that is super exciting. And they have their own little packaging for their collection. This is really cute. Okay, guys. So this is all what came in my gift from Bioseaweed. Let me adjust the camera. Okay, guys. So this is the gift that Bioseaweed gifted me and my studio, my girls, everybody that is with me. Some polishes from their Supernova collection to black and white, which is always necessary. Some greens, some nudes, some reds, some glitter, some fall transition colors, some greens, some bright greens. We got some pinks. We got a little bit of everything. Some blues. That blue glitter cyclone was really cute. This was the gift that I got. Thank you, Bioseaweed, for this gift. That's very, very thoughtful of you guys, and I appreciate that a lot. Times a lot. All my colors right there on my rack are all from Bioseaweed. Let me show you guys. All from Bioseaweed, and for sure I'm gonna have to add a rack underneath, or yeah, move that one a little higher because I'm not gonna have space to put all of these colors in there. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Bioseaweed, and thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna swatch all of them and then I'll show you guys. Okay, so this is how I do my swatches. I have some of them in the light already, and then I'm gonna be using these. So I'm just going to do one coat. I'm only doing one coat of each color just so you can see what the true color would look like, and obviously the colors will be deeper, lighter, whatever it is, once I use them on my clients. So I just do it from the inside. I fill it in like this. So I just do that, and then if I feel like there's a little bit missing, then I'll just go in. Since there's enough product on there, that's why I only do one. I'm only gonna be doing one coat. And then it makes it completely solid on here. Sorry guys, I know the glare. So it's the blue hydrangea. And then I'm gonna just flip it upside down, put it in the light, turn it on, and that's what I'm doing to all of them. And then after, I'll go ahead and label them all up and put them on one of these little rings for my clients to see once they come in. That's what they look like in the light. And then I have all of those left to go, and then move my mask, all of those. And then I swatched all of these already. These are all the new colors swatched, you guys. From reds to greens to blues to pinks to nudes to more pinks, corals, yellows, holographic glitters. Not holographic, I'm sorry, reflective glitters to this chrome shimmery and black. Let me show you guys with the flash. Oh, let me put them in the light. So pretty. So pretty. And then underneath they stay like this. So I did top coat underneath them. And I still have to label them. So I still have to label them. But I finished the swatches. This is all the colors. I'm so excited to try them. These yellows look the same, but they're not. They're two different yellows. If you can see, one is more like pastel-y on the right, and the other one's a little bit brighter. So pretty. So pretty, you guys. I love them. Shout out to Bioseaweed. If you guys don't follow them, follow them. If you don't use their brand and you're a nail tech, use it. So pretty. All of these are just one coat, you guys. Super pigmented. Just one coat. And those are the reflective ones. So pretty. Okay, and then with the flash on real quick, look how pretty these glitters are. These are the reflective glitter. Look at how pretty they look. Look how pretty. So pretty, you guys. So pretty. You can see all the color in there. All right, you guys. So these are the colors. I'm gonna wrap it up already. I hope you guys enjoyed my quick unboxing video of my nail polish haul gift that Bioseaweed gave me and my clients. Oh, look how pretty. Look how pretty that one is. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, and stay tuned for more videos. If you have any requests on videos that you would like to see, please let me know in the comment or in the in the comments below, and I'll get back to you guys. I've been getting a lot of comments just in general, what you guys think about the video, and that's completely okay. I appreciate you guys who take the time to watch and let me know what you think should be better or how you like the video. I love all feedback, you guys. So thank you so much for watching again, and stay tuned for more videos.